He's aware that they're having CRC and the Ogenkere group were busy trying to choose a leader. That is what the same thing that GS did. They will turn back, they will face you and tell you, look, I am here for you, to protect you, to defend you, to do everything for you. Then, when you pay attention to see those that are doing the one they claim they are going to do for you, then you see them blaming somebody that is doing exactly what somebody they say that defending is doing. I don't know if you follow what I'm saying. Mass Namanakane is there, and they claim they are fighting to release him. In fact, they are not watching it. Everything is watching okay, right? They are white and whiter than snow. Somebody who is doing exactly what Mass Namanakane was doing is their number one enemy. They will turn around to tell you, no, don't talk. Oh, we are here for Masamukano. Masamukano is with DOS. DOS is Masamukano. They will turn around on somebody who is doing exactly what Masamukano was doing. They will tell you that person is the problem. Then, have you seen the reason why they couldn't tell you what happened to Masamukano? Because they know, not as if they don't know, they know, but they choose to pretend that it's nothing. If that information is that what happened to Masamukano is a mystery that happened in maybe in the first century, before Adam, even after maybe during the time of Adam and Abraham. That there's no camera, no recorder, nothing whatsoever. They are unable to find out what happened. Okay. If you are against somebody who is just like somebody you say you are defending, you are with, why are you angry with somebody who is doing that thing that somebody that you claim you're with is doing? And you turn around to tell us, you want us to believe that you're with Masamukano. Now, narrow it down to what is going on in different division now. You said you want to fall back. You said you have to fall back to start all over again. You said that is a way to go. That's the best thing to do. When you are planning to declare Biafra, did you tell anybody that you are going to fall back after declaring it? The answer is no. Did you tell any Biafran that somehow Briggy is untouchable and it must stand, that not is unshakable and unmovable? The answer is no. The answer is no. You pretend that everything is okay, unless if they don't want to move forward, let them go, let them remain in USB. But if they actually want to do something, they should fall back with you. And some people are believing that. Some of us are somehow, this is structure that PM put in place. Oga, we used to hear that. Some said, no, you have to be woto. You have to do that. We are not for woto. Without knowing that woto you want to see, that these people are the ones slowing that woto. You will not see you want to see woto, right? They are the one against woto. What do I mean by that? When they told the African Army to allow us to Kobo people to invade the Igbo land and fight people for fun, dragging our youth, like tying them on a motorbike. Many of you saw the video. Unless if maybe you don't pay attention to that. And that one is a story. DOS were clapping. They are happy. Yet they are fighting for Masamukano. They want Masamukano to be released. Simon Ekpa is the problem. Simon Ekpa cannot do anything for us. He's the cause of insecurity in our land. Simon Ekpa is the only person that put us where we are today. Without Simon Ekpa, our land will not be bleeding. It's not about Fulani, it's about Simon Ekpa. Now Simon Ekpa is not here. Everything that happened in our land today, they will turn around and tell you, tag Amnesty International. Tag Amnesty International, they are the problem. You understand? Hello?
Hello, my guy.
Good morning, my brother.
Good morning. Happy Sunday.